Hi guys, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. I'm your gardener friend Ruchi, and today we are going to sow some fenugreek seeds, fenugreek or methi seeds. You might already know this, but fenugreek is really good for arthritis. It reduces the inflammation of the body. It is warm in nature, so it is really good for winters. So here I have fenugreek seeds that I have soaked overnight because that helps in the germination process. I have a planter here in which it has good drainage at the bottom and it has good potting soil mix with a lot of compost. So I'm going to just take these seeds and scatter on top of these. And now I'm going to cover it with about half an inch of soil. Okay, all done. Going to water it. So fenugreek, like most other leafy plants, like cooler weather, but it grows well in full sun. So that's it. I think it should germinate in about 4 or 5 days. So I'll report back how they are doing. It's been only 2 days, and our fenugreek seeds have already started to germinate. You can see, and I think it's because we had soaked the seeds overnight. It's just amazing that these tiny seeds and seedlings, they are able to push this soil up, create such a big crack and lifting it like a mountain. It's really amazing. It's been only 10 days and the seedlings are looking really good. It's been about 2 weeks now, and I can see the squirrels are creating some issues here. They are just digging up, probably looking for some nuts or something. But, well, nothing can be done about that. At the end of 3 weeks, our fenugreek plants are looking very good. They are evenly growing and they're happy. So I'm happy. If you look at our methi right now, it's about 4 inches tall and it's growing pretty healthy. So I think it is time to harvest some of it at least. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to leave at least 2 inches at the bottom. So I've left 2 inches at the bottom so that they can regrow. Because if you cut the whole plant, all the leaves are gone, then no photosynthesis will happen and the plant will not get as much energy. It will only get the energy from the roots, so which may not be sufficient. So you want to leave some uh, 1 or 2 inches at the bottom along with some leaves and then just cut it. Of course, when you are cutting it like this, you are holding many plants together. Some of the plants may not get any leaves left, and that's okay. So you get these beautiful uh, methi leaves, which can be used in the curry. So you just hold a few of them together, cut it, and right now they are so tender that you don't even need to take out the stems when cooking. You can just cook them with the stems. Once the stems become hard, then you have to get rid of the stems. There. So half the container on this side we have cut, and this half we have left, and we have all this harvest that we can use in the cooking, and they're so tender that you don't have to remove the stems. And then we'll see how they regrow. So it's been 10 days that we cut our fenugreek leaves, and you can see that on the left hand side it is still growing. I mean, it was not cut on the left hand side, but on the right hand side we had cut it. And you can see that there is new growth on the right hand side. So, whatever we had cut, it is growing. I'm going to let it grow a little bit more so that it's easier to see. So the left side fenugreek or methi we did not cut, and you can see that it's at least 10 inches tall, and it's kind of flattened out right now because it's been raining continuously. But if you see on the right side, even that has grown. We pruned it about 3 weeks ago, and you can see that there is new growth there. So this is how it works. You keep pruning it, and it keeps growing. Although it will not happen, more than 4 or 5 times. After that, it will probably stop growing. And another interesting thing is that you can also grow fenugreek or methi as microgreens. I hope this video was inspirational to you, because it's quite easy to grow fenugreek or methi seeds. You can grow them for the greens or for the microgreens. So if you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.